What's up guys, it's time to look beyond the Mate 40 family. So recently, All Leaks, which is a reliable leakster, showcases the CAD-based renders of the upcoming Mate 40 series. Now it's time for the Pro version. So this is the Huawei's Mate 40 Pro, but there are some confusions, because I think one of these renders are not accurate. If you look at the regular Mate 40, it's having a bowl-shaped camera, which I guess is not true, because according to the rumors, the regular Mate 40 will have a single punch-hole camera, instead of a dual-build shaped camera. Anyway, the Mate 40 Pro however looks absolutely fine. Its design is very impressive. We have a waterfall display and a gigantic camera module on the back, which looks absolutely fine to me, but it depends on the personal preference. Having said that, there are 3 camera sensors on the back, and a 4th periscope shooter. According to Elixir, the regular Mate 40 will have 30x zoom plus 40 watt fast charging, Mate 40 Pro will have 55x zoom 40 watt fast charging, and 27 watt wireless charging, and the high-end Mate 40 Pro Plus will have 55x zoom, 66 watt fast charging plus 40 watt wireless charging, which is amazing, because this time again, Huawei is taking the zooming feature in the smartphone to the whole next level. That unsaid yesterday during China Information Technology Summit 2020, Richard Yu, CEO of Huawei Consumer Business, said that the next flagship generation of the Mate 40 series will hit the market in September, and according to Rodent, a trusted leakster, tweeted 5 September. So this means we got the actual release date of the Mate 40 series, which is now 5 September. We were thinking that the Mate 40 series will have Kirin 1000 or the Kirin 1020 chipset, which went wrong, because now CEO said that the devices will be equipped with the latest and the greatest processor from Huawei, which is Kirin 9000. Well, last year Mate 30 Pro had Kirin 990, but Kirin 9000 should be 50% more powerful than that, and the new processor will be based on the 5nm process. Furthermore, CEO also added that the upcoming Mate 40 series will be further upgraded in terms of design, form factor, performance, better 5G connectivity, battery and fast charging, and Mate 40 series will be the last series of smartphone from the company that will use the Kirin processor. The ban on Huawei by the United States is set to take effect from 15th September, and due to that it will be impossible to manufacture chips, and thus the company will cease making flagship chipsets. So that's why the Mate 40 series will be the last series of smartphone from company that will use Kirin processor, and unfortunately the Google services will not be on board with the upcoming Mate 40 series. So yeah, what do you think about it? Are you going to buy the Mate 40 series in future? Do let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you like this video, subscribe the channel will be amazing. My name is Arjun, this is Digital Outside. I'll catch you in the next one.